Hi, Steve here. This is a review on my Harbor Freight greenhouse. I bought this, in February. We didn't start putting it together several months later. Instructions are real bare, I'll tell you. My sister, fortunately, been through this before. She picked one up for free on the Craigslist. Just come and get it. He was just fed up with it, and I can understand the sentiment. So one of the first things you want to do if you ignore my advice, which is to not buy this, is to lay all the parts out on a tarp and label them. And not only label them, make sure you have both right and lefts on the parts. So we have this riser up here over the door. You see there's three, there's two, there's supposed to be another one. We had two left hands and no right hand. We've been trying to get that part since June. It's now in the middle of October. Still no part. It's going to get cold. We're not going to be able to finish this year, looks like. And we still don't have the part. The other thing is when you put those parts down, label them with a felt tip or something so you can see them, because it's hard to read the part numbers on them. And if you do that, it'll make it a lot easier to assemble and then put them in order and double check your inventory. The other big problem with is you'll have to tighten and untighten things, and if you don't read the instructions extremely carefully, you'll put together something, then you'll have to go back and undo a whole bunch of stuff to register it again. So my advice when it comes to this Harbor Freight greenhouse is build yourself a hoop house. They're a lot easier and save the trouble. I forgot one more thing. Some of the parts are supposed to have holes drilled in them. And so you'll need a drill press to drill out some of those holes. You're also going to need some disposable friends, because this requires about 3 people really to put it together. You can get by with 2 for a while, but some parts you need 3. And it gets a weary job. So anyway, if you're an engineer type or something like that, can build, kits from scratch, go for it. But if you're the average Joe, I'd recommend staying clear from this thing and buy yourself a hoop house or hoop house kit and do something that's they have some customer service. The parts come complete. Anyway, not a good deal.